Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we are doing chapter exercise 12.2. Simplify combining like terms. Now you all are familiar with the term like terms. Like terms means the variables and their power should be same. Let's see the sum. 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Now first you have to arrange the like terms in one place. Say it is 21b, now it is 7b and minus 20b because they are like terms. All of uh, all these terms have same variable b. Here also 21b plus 7b minus 20b. Which one is different here? This one is different. Now this one is say minus 32. So I am using color. You no need to use color as I am explaining here. So I am using different colors now. 21b, 7b, 20b. These are the like terms and minus 32 are different. So it is I have given in different color. Now these are like terms. So what you have to do this first, it is positive, it is also positive, so you have to add with these two coefficients and the variable will be same. You are adding 21 plus 7. You have to add these two coefficients 21 plus 7. Why you are adding? Because plus sign is there in between. So 21 plus 7 it will be 28. Now 28b minus this one we have not done, so it is as it is, and minus 32. Next what you will do, see 28b minus 20b. Now you can do some mathematical operation. That means you can subtract these two because my negative sign is in between, minus sign is there. So 28 minus 28b minus 2. Why you are doing subtraction in between them? Because these two are like terms. Now 28b minus 20b. If you subtract 20 from 28, you will get 8b, and this one is minus 32. So you will write minus 32, and this is your answer. When you will write the answer, what is the answer you will write? Your answer is 8b minus 32. Understood, students? This is your answer. Come to the next sum. Next sum is say minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Arrange them in like terms. How many like terms are j? Though the variables are same, but the powers are not same in every terms. So you have to concentrate on the power also. So minus z square, keep minus z square here and find out any z square is there. Yes, 13z square also there, 13z square, and plus, now only these two are z square. Next one is another term 7z cube. Power is different, so it is not like terms. These two are square, this is cube, and minus 5z minus 15z. What you can see that z square, two terms are there like terms. With cube only one term, so I have written only minus 7z cube and minus 5z and minus 15z. Understood? Now this, as these two are like terms, so and the what you can do, plus 13z square minus z square, that means different sign you have to subtract, and when you will subtract, it will come 12z square. 12z square. Which one is the larger number sign? Plus. So before 12 you have to give plus sign. Now this one is plus 7z cube. Next one is minus 15z and minus 5z and minus 15z. Both are same. So same sign you have to add. You know that 20z, because same sign you have to add and the available sign will come in front. Now what you what is the answer you are getting here? See, the answer is according decreasing order. I will write the power. What is decreasing? 7z cube. It is the maximum power of z. Next, plus 12z square minus 20z. This is your answer. What you get? When you are arranging the like terms, you have to concentrate on the variable as well as their power. When you are concentrating with their variable and their power, you can see that z square and 13z square only power 2. Minus 5z and minus 15z only power 1. And 7z cube power 3. So you have to, whatever the mathematical operation you can do on them is, you have to do with these like terms only. Then minus z square for 13z square, 12z square, minus 5z and minus 15z, minus 20z plus 7z cube. Understood? These are the operation on like terms, and this is the last answer. Next one is, see this one, p minus, inside the bracket p minus q, minus q, minus q minus p. Minus, when you are opening the bracket, if minus is outside, you have to change the sign inside the bracket. Minus p, then minus into minus plus q. Be careful, when minus is outside, sign will be changed. Minus q, and minus into minus plus p. Now p and p, all the p are like terms and all the q are like terms. Now how many p? You can see p, minus p, this one, and plus p. And here plus q, minus q and minus q. Now you can see that this p plus p minus p plus p, plus q minus q minus q. Now you know that this you can cancel, because one same value, same power, one is positive and one is negative. That means it can be cancelled. Here also one positive plus q and one negative q. So this also can be cancelled. Now what is the remaining answer? What is left here? P minus q. This is your answer. Understood? Next one. Okay. We will not do this one today because it will be a large one, and you have only one period today. So do the next sum. Now see this sum. You have to add these terms: 3mn minus 5mn plus 8mn minus 4mn. What you can see, these all are like terms. So if these all are like terms, then you have to add them with a positive sign. 3mn plus minus 5mn. What they have given, I have written only minus 5n, so minus 5n, plus 8mn plus minus 4mn. Whatever is given in our question, I have written with plus sign because the question is add them. So we are adding 3mn plus minus 5mn plus 8mn plus minus 4mn. Now what you can see, that 3mn and plus 8mn, you can do arrange them. 3mn plus 8mn minus 5 mn minus 4mn. 3mn and 8mn, 11mn minus 5mn minus 4mn. From 11mn you can subtract this. What you can see, 6mn minus 4mn equal to, from 6 if you subtract 4 you will get 2mn, and this is your answer. I hope all of you understood. Now only a small sum I have given for you. You try this arranging like terms, and along with your classwork you also solve it and submit the work in the class time. Thank you, students.